Good morning, kids. So let's start with GK. So, all open your GK books and we will come to Unit 1, that is Universe. So, let us start with our first topic, that is space trivia. So, what are we going to learn here today? We are going to answer the following questions. But what are they? Let's begin. Let's go on a space voyage discovering some of the superlatives and some other interesting stuff. The first one. What is the first one? Which dwarf planet is made up of rock and ice? Which is that? It is Pluto. So you have to write Pluto. What is the name of the largest known dwarf planet? Which is the largest dwarf planet? It is nothing but Aries. Third one. Which planet is called the red planet? It is known as Mars. Which was the first planet discovered using a telescope? Which was the first planet which was discovered by universe? Can anyone tell? It was Uranus. Name the biggest moon in the solar system. Which is the biggest moon in the solar system? It is Ganymede. Which planet would float if put in water? It is Saturn. Which planet is regarded as the Earth's sister planet? It is Venus. Name the largest object in the solar system. The largest object in the solar system is the Sun. So you need to write the Sun. Which planet weighs more than the total weight of the planets? It's Jupiter. What is the shape of the Milky Way galaxy? The shape of the Milky Way galaxy is in spiral shape. तो ये आपको पूरा पेज कंप्लीट करना है. Okay, kids? So after space trivia, we are going for memorable dates and years. We all have some memorable dates and years. Even a birthday is memorable. Don't you think so? Yes, हमारा जन्मदिन भी मेमोरेबल होता है. सो हम लोग कभी भूल नहीं सकते, राइट? तो इसी तरह हमें थोड़े मेमोरेबल डेट्स एंड ईयर्स हमें याद रखने हैं. तो लेट्स बिगिन. Memorable dates and years. So what is given here? Some dates and years are permanently hitched in the history of mankind. It obviously why. Aren't they? Some of the giant steps that man dare to take. Mention the years and dates wherever possible. When these events occurred. Dash the first rocket, Germany V2, bridged the boundary of space. That was on 3rd October 1942. Second one. Dash the first animals were launched into space. Fruit flies were used to study the effects of space. कौन सी डेट पे था? 20th Feb 1947. The third one. Russia launched the first satellite Sputnik 1 into space. On which date? It was on 4th October 1957. Fourth one. What is the fourth one? Dash Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first man to travel into the space. It was on 12th April 1961. Das Surveyor 1 made the second soft landing on the moon. It was on 2nd June 1966. Sixth one. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin took one small step and became the first man to land on the moon. It was on 20th July 1969. Seventh one. Salyut 1 Russian space station was launched. On which date? It was on 19th April 1971. 8th one. Skylab American space station was launched. On which date? It was on 14th May 1973. Ninth one. 14 European nations formed the European Space Agency. It was on 1975. Skylab got burnt in the atmosphere on 11 July 1979. Construction of the Mir space station started on 1986. तो इसी तरह आपको ये पूरी चीज़ें लिखनी है. ओके. Dash Helen Sherman entered a competition to become the first British astronaut in the space. तो इसी तरह आपको ये डेट्स पूरे कंप्लीट करना है और थोड़े डेट्स यहाँ पे मेंशन है. तो अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं. ओके किड्स. So this was our memorable dates and years. After memorable dates and years, we are going to learn about some space gallery. So let's start. Don't you envy these people for their guts, grit and determination? It's not for nothing that their names and pictures are indispensable to the Achievers Club. Recognize the following famous personalities as astronauts or cosmonauts. So let's see and identify the pictures. Okay, so let us begin with the first picture. What you can see there? We can see there Galileo Galilei. So he is an astronaut. Okay, then the second one, he is Yuri Gagarin. He is a cosmonaut. The third one, whom you can see there? She is Valentina Tereshkova. She also is a cosmonaut. Then comes the fourth one. Who is he? He is Neil Armstrong. He is an astronaut. Fifth one, Alexei Leonov. He is a cosmonaut. Sixth one, Dennis Tito. Who is he? He is also a astronaut. Then the seventh one, he is Rakesh Sharma. He is also a astronaut. Eighth one, she is Kalpana Chawla. Even she is a astronaut. Then comes our last one. Who is she? She is Helen Sharman. Even she is a astronaut. तो ये सभी पेज आपको कंप्लीट करना है और आंसर्स के हिंट्स भी दिया हुआ है. तो आप एक बार स्पेलिंग्स क्रॉस वेरीफाई कर सकते हो. ओके किड्स, थैंक यू. We will go for our next topic. Our topic is birds. So what are we going to learn today here? We are going to recognize these birds. यानी हम इस birds को पहचानेंगे. तो आंसर्स और स्पेलिंग्स यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, बस हमें करेक्टली रिकॉग्नाइज करके लिखना है. आपको आंसर्स यहाँ से मिल जाएंगे. तो फर्स्ट वन है गेमी बर्ड. सो इट्स अ गेमी बर्ड. सेकेंड वन, it's a viewer bird. Third one, Arctic tern. So write the correct spellings from the box. Fourth one, it's puffins. Puffins. Fifth one, honk. Sixth one, it's a hummingbird. It's a hummingbird. Seventh one, hoopoe. Eighth one, albatross. It's a albatross bird. Then the ninth one, a curlew. It's a curlew. तो इसी तरह आपको ये पेज भी कंप्लीट करना है. ओके किड्स, हैव अ गुड डे, एंजॉय योर डे, बी सेफ, बी एट होम, टेक केयर.